2C2 cos 2t.
Cos 2t. Cos 2t. And that is equal to 2x. That is equal to 2x. Okay. Now you simplify it. What is the simplification of this one? That implies 2x equal to how much? You tell me. 2 is common. Sorry, here we are having. So we will put this one first because this is positive. So cos 2t has two terms. Coefficient of one cos 2 is 2c2 and coefficient of another cos 2t is what?
-1.
-1. So if we write together, we will have -1 of cos 2t. Then what will be the next term? -2c1 sin 2t. Sin 2t. And then what is your x of t? From here, can you find out it?
Sir, your video is all blurry, sir.
Maybe it is because of that network. I don't know why it is happening.
Sir, you are using SRM, sir, Wi-Fi, sir.
Yes. I'm using SRM Wi-Fi. That is maybe the reason. It is all the times or in between sometimes it is happening?
Sir, most of the time, sir. 80% of the time. For example, sir, now we cannot see what you have written, sir. It's all blurry, sir. We have to just guess.
No, please don't guess. If you are not able to see means you tell me.
Yes,
If you
sir.
guess means it is not good at all. Okay. Anyhow, only today I will complete this problem and we will do the rest of the thing in next class. Only one line remains.
Okay, sir.
Today.
So you can continue with this one.
Sorry?
So you can continue with this one. We can finish it.
Yeah, only 1-2 lines remain, then I will stop. Okay. So what is your x of t from here? Can you tell me?
C2 minus half cos 2t.
C2 minus 1 whole divided by 2. This 2 I am dividing. Okay. Into cos 2t plus minus. What will be the next one?
C1 sin 2t.
C1 sin 2t. So again, C2 is a constant, 1 is a constant. So this implies x of t is equal to C3 cos 2t minus C1 sin 2t. Okay, where C3 is nothing but what? 2C2 minus 1 divided by. Okay, so this is the value of your x. This is the value of your x. So I hope everybody understood how to solve the system of equation. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, you got it how to solve the system of equation. In the next class, we will start unit 5. In the next class, we will start unit 4. Okay, and that will be for CT3. For the CT3, you can get the remaining portion of this topic as well as the other 2 units.
Okay, sir. Sir, according to sir ODD schedule, sir, we have our CT3 on sir 12th of February, I guess, sir.
Yes. By that time, we can complete, no problem.
Yes, sir. Sir, in between, sir, is there any winter break, sir?
Yes, you will get winter break. Yeah, that may be
Okay.
possibly 20 onwards, but something is there, you can able to know it. Okay, according to the schedule, you are getting from 20 December to January 3rd. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if any change is there, you can able, because senior people, senior to you, they are going to write the examination. Okay. So if any change happen in the schedule means they will inform you.
Okay, sir.
prepone the schedule or they may prepone. If it is not preponing means it will start from 20. They may prepone it. Okay.
And sir, offline, sir, when will sir college start, sir? Any idea?
No, actually, nobody knows it. Nowadays, the 5th year started to come. They already came to campus, okay, and they are doing their work. Means who are leaving, they are supposed to leave the college, final year students. So they are calling phase wise. This is the first phase. Final year students are here for their work, okay. Then once the vaccine process started or vaccine process completed, they may call everybody. So you may be watching the news now. So vaccine is coming soon. Maybe the end of January, 50 to 60% people will be vaccinated. So there is a possibility that you can come here and you can write your end semester. So accordingly you prepare. Okay, that's why I'm asking, if such type of question will come in the examination, can you able to do? You forget about this CT2 multiple choice question type. Whatever thing you are telling, I agree with you. It is little bit calculation oriented, so it will take time. That is okay. But I am asking you whether you are comfortable with such type of questions, so that when you will come and write the examination, you can able to write it. So that is my question.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, please respond your roll numbers.